To remove virus from the Samsung Galaxy S26 for free, first of all, you have to go into the settings. Now you will have to scroll down, and we got actually three methods. So the first method will be available when you go for device care. Go for app protection and just make sure that you are gonna turn it on by clicking here. And now you can just scan your phone to search for some malware or other suspicious activity. If there will be some kind of the virus, then you can follow on-screen instructions to take it off. Sometimes you can call the virus when the application sends you some kind of the strange notifications. So you can just go for applications, click here, select installed by you and sort with the last use. And if there's like application that you install at the last, you can just take it off from your phone by clicking on it and selecting uninstall. Or also you can go for the Google Play Store and get some antivirus applications that are free. So we have to go for the search and input antivirus free. There we go, and you can pick, for example, the Avast antivirus. You can install it, and also you can scan your phone and remove some suspicious applications.